Companies that have a lot of different offerings within their business typically become the biggest power users of Splattr. The reason for that is we'll take every offering in a business and then start mapping each one to prospects who have that need for that specific offering. So if you're in a sales role and you sell 10 different things and typically you sell all of them to CIOs, we're not just going to give you a list of CIOs, we're going to give you a list of CIOs and then map each CIO to each of your individual offerings and then report back with the strength of how that offer fits their active needs. The way that we can do that is we pull a crazy amount of information on every single prospect, years of hiring history. We validate exactly what technology they're using in their company today, and we'll look through all kinds of different signal data. So back to my example of 10 offerings. Let's say, for example, one of my offerings into a CIO is offshore software development. Companies then that are going to be naturally gravitating towards the top and prospects that are a better fit are going to be the companies that are using tech that your offshore development team has used before. Maybe it's a Microsoft shop, so we're going to look for companies using Azure. Maybe it's a company that had a tighter earnings report last year, so there's going to be looking for ways to save some money. It might pair that with a company who's going through a digital transformation or just bought multiple enterprise pieces of software and they might need integration help. Because it has access to all of that data, it's going to start making all of those connections and then naturally prioritizing who's a fit for each individual offering that you have.